Welcome students once again. Now next part of the chapter that we will be doing is every country where elections are held a democracy? To understand this point, let's study the case of Pakistan. Now in Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf overthrew a democratically elected government and took hold of the government. He declared himself the chief executive of the country. Then later on in 2002, he changed his position to the president of the country, means Pakistan. Then in 2002, he issued a legal framework order. This is the name of that order which he issued, legal framework order, and amended the constitution. And according to this order, he got the power to dismiss the national or provincial assemblies. Yani ke those assemblies which had elected members, elected by the people, those members, so he could dismiss those assemblies in the provinces also, or even the National Assembly. So it was his wish. Then elections were held. So let's leave the case of elections. It means if this happens, according to this legal framework order, if he got the power to dismiss the national or provincial assemblies, so what does it mean? It means that the elected representatives had some power, but the final power rested with the military officials and General Musharraf. Even if elections were held and representatives were elected by the people, so if some or the other time General Musharraf wanted, he could dismiss those members. So from where did the elected representatives come? They were elected through elections. But if they could be just dismissed by a military ruler like General Musharraf, would you call those elections fair? Or would you call that Pakistan is a democracy? Because in a democracy, the elected representatives of the people cannot be dismissed by any military official or any other higher position holding official. So here in a country like Pakistan, in these conditions, even if the elections are held, would you call them democratic elections or would you call Pakistan a democracy? Because in Pakistan, the elected representatives can be dismissed by a general. So what does it show? That all the countries, this was a question here, is every country where elections are held a democracy? So even if elections are held in Pakistan, would you call it a democracy? No, we cannot call it a democracy.